Welcome back to my channel, everyone. It is your girl Cassandra Olivia, and I'm so excited to come to you with this brand new Glamlite times Barbie collab. I went ahead and ordered the entire PR kit. This is available on their website right now. It's on sale for $149 plus free shipping. It did take 7 days to come in, which is super fast, and the packaging is to die for. So the first thing I opened was the box. It comes in this Barbie times Glamlite PR box, and also it has this Barbie Glamlite palette. I really love the colors in here. This palette is perfect for all skin tones, and I'm going to actually do a look and do one eye for you guys and then show you guys the end result look, which you saw in the beginning. But I just want to show you guys each kit. So this palette comes with 3 kits. We have the Dreamlight lip kit, we have the Out of Office lip kit, and the Malibu lip kit. And then we also have the Dream in Pink complexion kit, the Sun Kissed complexion kit, and then the Malibu Memories complexion kit. So one is a more deeper tone, one is like a middle tone for, like, you know, my lighter fair skin girls, and then one is like a Barbie true pink tone. So the one I'm going to go in with today is this palette here. It's the dark purple one that you just saw, and I used that to do the entire look that you guys saw on the first part of this video. So I'm going to be going in with the purple kits for today, and again, I'm just showing you guys the unboxing. Everything is super cute. Now, what I love about Glamlite is Glamlite does not skimp out when it comes to packaging, but also their branding and their products are top tier. So here we have the kit. The lip kits all come with a lip liner, a lipstick, and also a lip gloss. The lipstick is nice and creamy and buttery smooth, and the presentation is just everything for me. It looks amazing, and like I said, it slid on perfectly. And then last night I even used the blue kit to do my face, so I will be doing a separate video on that one, but I just wanted to give you guys my initial thoughts. So here we are. We're starting with the makeup. I'm going in with that dark purple shade that you guys see here, and I'm going to just do one eye on camera just so you guys can see what I'm using. I went ahead and used 10 out of the 12 shades on this palette. I freestyled this look completely, but I wanted to do something kind of Barbie pink, but also kind of dark. So I decided to go in with those darker shades first, start blending everything out, and then you'll see me just kind of going back and forth. This is going to look really crazy at first, but I promise you guys it's going to eat down. Now, for my darker skin girlies, when you do your makeup, you do want to make sure that you put down a primer first. So I like to use a P. Louise base. The base I like to use is the 0.5, the Rumor base, because it's white almost on my skin complexion. So with that white base, it just sets a nice canvas for me, so that way the colors can stick and really show through. So halfway through, I decided to do a spotlight eye. I was initially going to go for like a cut crease look, but then I said, you know what? I really want to play around and give like full Barbie glam. So I added those darker shades on the outer corners, and I'm just going in blending everything in the middle. I did go ahead and cut my crease with that same primer I was just talking about, the P. Louise base, and now I'm just going in and blending everything out. Once I'm done that, I'm going to deepen the crease with that darker purple shade, and then I'm going in with the darkest shade also, just mixing those two together and just making sure I have a really nice blend. Now, sidebar, while I'm doing this in the background, I did this makeup tutorial on live, so if you guys want to see it actual in real time, slowed down, then please be sure to check out my live community tab. This is just a quick one and done, you know, edited video, but while I was on the live, remember I told you guys I was shooting my video, my long form. This is the long form video. So if you guys want to see the full tutorial, the full unboxing, no cuts, no edits, then go ahead and check that out on my live tab. So I'm just going in with some of these shades. I'm using different brushes, and I'm just going back and forth on the palette, making sure to blend everything out. But guys, when I tell you this eyeshadow palette is so tea, it is buttery smooth. The colors show up even without a primer, even without a base. I put it directly on my skin. I did swatches last night on live, and the colors were so vibrant without me even having to use a base. So the base is just going to take it to that extra level, but you do not need the base. You can very much put these on directly on your skin, which is rare, especially having like a darker skin tone, because sometimes the colors can look muddy. So I just did a little wing here. I'm putting my lashes on, and then I'm going to go ahead and put my mascara on. Once I'm done that, I'm just going to fill in my brow, and then I'm going to do my under eyes. So I went ahead, I'm just doing this one eye look so you can kind of get a gist of everything that I used, and then again I'm going to do the other one off camera. But if you guys want to see me doing the second eye, just be sure to check out my live tab, because again I reposted the video there, and you can see me doing the entire look start to finish, talking, cuts, no cuts, none of that. I will be sure to link this down below. And again, this is not a sponsored video. This is my honest raw review. As somebody who grew up in the 90s, I am obsessed with all things Barbie. You guys know I just did a video not too long ago with my Barbie skates. So I just was like, oh, I need to get this. Like, I grew up playing with Barbies, having all the dream houses, having all the Barbie pools, having all the Barbie cars, all the Barbie apartments. Like, I was that girl growing up. So here I am. I'm just showing you guys the palette that I use for my face to set my under eye. Now, I was scared AF, to be honest with y'all, because I was like, I've never set my under eye with like a pink shade. I always use either like a white Laura Mercier or something that's kind of like a yellow tone, or even like a brown oranges tone. but I've never used something pink to set my under eye. So I went ahead and did that on the live stream. And when I tell you the face came out so bomb, like literally it came out bomb. Y'all are going to see it in a second. I'm just finishing up my eye and then I'm going to go in and use that palette I just showed you. But the pink under eye just gave like the perfect Barbie look, but it wasn't like a clown, if that makes sense. So it gave me like that perfect blush. I know the blush is coming in right now because a lot of people are using it because of that influencer. I think her name is Esther. I don't follow her, but I've been hearing like the controversy and I know that she started like the girls with the blush trend. So if you're somebody that wants to start doing more blush and get out your comfort zone, then I would definitely 100% recommend this palette, because as a girl who doesn't like to do pink under eyes, as a girl who doesn't like to wear blush, this palette ate damn. So here I am. I decided last minute that I wanted to do my under eye and I wanted to add some shimmer. Now I should have actually did this before I put on my mascara, but hey, YOLO. So I'm doing that, and then you're just going to see me set my under eye with that second palette that I was talking about, which is the complexion kit. And again, I used the Barbie kit, and then I used the 2 purple kits to do my face. So here we are. This is the under eye I was talking about. It's very light pink, and I was terrified, y'all, because I already had my concealer on, and now it's like, okay, this is go time. But it just gave you like a really, really soft Barbie, like airbrush type of feel. I don't know. And so many people complimented my makeup. Like once I got finished, I went off to get the girls from school, and then I stopped at the supermarket. Little kids were stopping me. Grown people were like, your makeup is so pretty. Oh my God, your eyes are so pretty. And I'm like, thank you. So I got so many compliments off this one-off look. This is literally my first time opening this palette, doing a freestyle. I had no idea what I was going to do. But this palette eats down. Now, what I love about the complexion palette, the very first shade at the top, is to set your under eye to give you like that brightness, but not too bright. And then you have these 2 blushes in the center. You have a lighter blush and a darker blush. And then you also have your highlighter at the bottom. So again, the very top one is going to be your face powder that you can use to set your under eye to brighten. The 2 shades in the middle are going to be your blushes. You have 2 that you can blend together or use 1 or however you want to layer them. And then the very bottom shade is going to be that shimmer, which is your highlight that you're going to put over your face. So I'm just going through this whole entire kit and I'm having a ball, y'all. This is not even set yet, but once you guys see how it looks set, you already saw it in the beginning, it just looked phenomenal. So I used this palette 2 days ago, and then I used it last night, and I'm also going to use it again today. But on today's live, I'm going to go in with the blue palette. So I tested out the lip kit last night because I was kind of like, it's just going to look cute. And I even tested out the very light pink lip kit, but I did finesse it a little bit. I just used one of the liners from one of the other kits to line my lips, just because with the very, very faint pink kit, it's more for like fair skin girls. And obviously I'm not a fair skin girly. So this liner that you see me using here is actually what I use for the lighter lip kit. I just kind of mixed and matched. And because I have the full line, I can do that. But again, if you don't have the full line, you're somebody that has a darker complexion and you go in with that lighter pink shade, you just want to make sure that you have a nice brown liner or a dark liner that you can use to blend that shade out with. So that way it's not giving like Nicki Minaj when she first came out. Remember how everybody was wearing like that powdery pink lip? That's what that pink palette was giving. But it ended up blending out beautifully. But right now I'm not using the pink one, I'm using the purple one. But I just want to throw that out there so that way if you do get the full entire PR kit, you know how to kind of finesse it. So I'm just blending my lips here, just going back and forth using that liner. Then I put that lip shade in the middle. It's giving very much Y2K vibes, very much 90s baby vibes. And then I'm just going to go in with that gloss right on top of that. And then this will pretty much set the look. Look at how pretty that gloss is. And I'm just putting it right in the middle, and I'm using my finger and also the end of my brush to blend everything out. So if you made it this far, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every last one of you guys. I'm gonna finish styling my hair and then add these end clips because I had to get my thumbnail. Y'all already know. Thank you guys so much for watching, always being supportive and listening to my rants and reviews. Let me know if this is a palette that you want to try, and also be sure to follow me on all my socials, my TikTok, my Instagram, because I have been posting lives there and also going behind the scenes showing you guys how to edit. So again, thank you guys so much, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.